Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's Ada here again, and today we are in my kitchen. As you already know from the thumbnail, we are making the fluffy pancake. So all you will be needing is your all-purpose flour, your sugar, your cinnamon, you need egg, and then your vanilla flavor. Then you also need your baking powder, and of course your milk. So I'll be leaving the correct measurements in the description box down below, so you just have to check that out so I don't make any mistakes. I'll just be leaving that down below in the description so you can have that. So what I do is I go ahead and mix all the liquids. I mix the milk, the egg, the vanilla flavor, and then now I'm mixing all the solid. So here I am putting in my flour, and then I'll be putting in my sugar and my baking powder with the cinnamon. And then I will add a little bit of salt. I just love adding salt to whenever I am baking. I just love adding salt. I don't know why I do that, but it's important. So now guys, I'm going ahead to pour the liquid, everything that I mixed to the solid, let me put it that way, to the powdered, that's it. And then I'll be mixing everything together. So I finished up adding all my liquid. And here is my pan. I'm doing this with a butter. So instead of using a groundnut oil or whatever oil you want to use, I just use my butter. I love the taste of the butter on the pancake. I just love how it tastes. So you can decide to do whatever you want to do. Anything you want to do is fine. And while I was doing this, I realized my pan was a little bit too small for this. Like, I wanted something bigger, but then I was already doing it. So yeah guys, so as you can see, the pan changed because I had to switch. It was just too small for me. And here I am, this is done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Don't also forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. You can use your honey or your pancake syrup, whatever you want on your pancake, and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.